Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing an ultimate clean with me where we're going to be tackling pretty much the entire top floor of my house, and let me tell you, it really needed it. I had let things just slip for a couple of days. I wasn't feeling very well, so I had a lot to catch up on, and the house was an absolute mess. So I just want to say really quickly before we actually get into the cleaning, go ahead and drop me a like and hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. I would love to have you. I'm almost at 900 subscribers, so I'm getting really close to 1,000, and I'm getting super excited for that. But without further ado, let's just get right on into the video and let's just start cleaning. I'm gonna have tons of cleaning motivation for you guys in this video. We're gonna have some great music to listen to, so just go ahead and throw me on in the background while you're cleaning, and let me know in the comments down below what you managed to clean while you're watching my video. We're gonna start by throwing in a load of laundry. I had a ton of laundry to do because I was backed up, so it's just, I don't understand how with a family of only 3, how we end up with so much laundry. It's insane. But I wanted to go ahead and get started with a load of laundry going, and now I'm going to tackle the kitchen. So I had dishes from the night before, I had dishes from breakfast in here. Like I said, I wasn't feeling very well the last couple of days, so I had so much going on in here. But on a side note, look at my gorgeous flowers that I got for my birthday from one of my daycare clients. I was so excited to get these, and they were so beautiful. They totally brightened up my whole birthday. And in any case, we're just going to go ahead and tackle the kitchen now. We've got tons to put away, groceries to put away, we've got dishes to do. We're going to be hand washing dishes here in a little bit, and we're just going to get it all done today.
Girl, what you don't see is when we don't speak, none of us can sleep. I need the truth to find out and see. We lie, we run, we cry, we die. Oh, why? But I still want us to align. Oh, why? What happened with the best part of you, the one that's always in bloom?
So I ended up running out of clean cloths to clean with, so I just went ahead and cut up this old cloth. I had started just using it as one, and I was like, you know what, this is an old cloth anyways, and I need more dish rags. I'm always running out of them, or more cleaning rags in any case. I'm always running out of them, so I just cut up my towel. Do any of you guys do that? Like, typically I will buy cleaning towels, but then I was like, why not just go ahead and reuse this, because this towel is already crap anyways. It's so old, it's already starting to fall apart, it's fraying everywhere. So I just thought I was just going to go ahead and use that as a cleaning towel, and it worked really well. I mean, why wouldn't it? Do you guys do that, or do you buy your cleaning cloths?
I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. Sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up.
Well, you guys, here is a really fun fact. I just recorded this whole part of the voiceover without actually recording, so That's fantastic and basically on brand for me because that's just who I am as a person. But I wanted to make sure that I included some hand washing for you guys because I've been having so many people tell me that they love watching me hand wash dishes and that it really is soothing and relaxing to them. So if you guys like that, I'm going to go ahead and keep doing that. First of all, I had to rinse out my sinks because they were super, super gross. There was all sorts of stuff in there. It'd been a while since I'd rinsed them out, so I wanted to go ahead and make sure I was starting out with a clean sink. And now I'm using up the last of my Palmolive dish detergent, and I'm going to be trying the Miss Meyer's, and that's going to be my first time trying Miss Meyer's dish soap. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of dish soap is your favorite. Are you like an old school Dawn or Palmolive Sunlight type of person, or what do you like? Do you like Caldrea or Miss Meyer's? What's the best dish soap for hand washing? Okay, so now we're going to move on into the dining area, and I had a ton of stuff that I needed to put away. We had done a shopping trip into the city, and we had gotten Holden a whole bunch of potty training stuff because we are now in the potty training stage, and he is doing super, super good. I am so happy. I'm really happy that I decided to listen to my own instincts and not push him because he's over 2.5 now, and I've started having so many people being like, oh, aren't you going to start potty training him? Like, oh, he should be starting to potty train. You know, as moms, we get so much outside advice that we don't really need or want or care for. And I just want to remind you, if you're a mom, it is so important to listen to your own instincts because, you know, we had tried starting to get Holden to try potty training a while ago, and he wanted nothing to do with it whatsoever. And he actually started regressing a little bit because for the longest time, he would come and tell us when he had gone in his diaper. And for the longest time, I had no issues with that. And then as soon as I started kind of pushing him to potty train, he completely regressed and stopped telling us even when he had anything in his diaper. So I just said to myself, you know what? I'm just going to let him decide when he's ready. And I stopped mentioning it at all for about 3 or 4 months. And then the one day out of nowhere, one of the other kids is potty training right now. And he decided that he wanted to go on the potty as well. And as soon as he did that and he went for the first time, we made a huge deal out of it. We gave him a potty candy, and ever since then, he went bare bum for about a week around the house, and he's been perfectly fine with no accidents whatsoever. It just seemed to happen overnight. So definitely listen to your instincts as a mother because you know what is right for your child. And at the end of the day, it was absolutely no fuss as long as I waited until he was ready. So that is my lesson for you for today.
Just sit with me, talking through the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking through the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think
Okay, so now we're going to move on into the master bedroom, and I had to put away a few of the new clothes that I got. I just got like some new leggings, and I'm just going to be making the bed, putting away some clothes, and then of course my my dresser in there that always is full of stuff. It is such a catch-all area for me. That's the same thing as my dining room. My dining room table and my dresser in my bedroom just complete catch-alls, and I have things on there basically every day that I'm just putting there instead of putting things away. Why I don't just put them away right away, I don't know, but it's just who I am as a person, I guess.
Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed.
So now moving on into the bathroom. As you can tell, it was a huge mess and I needed to do a full deep clean of it. I didn't end up showing you guys me cleaning the tub and shower because it's so hard for me to get in there. Like, my bathroom is so small and it's such a weird angle that it's so hard for me to show you guys me cleaning the tub and shower without you just seeing my big old butt just right in the whole frame. So I didn't bother showing that, but I definitely showed you everything else, and I had so much stuff to put away in here, you guys. We had clothes everywhere. It was just such a mess. So it felt so good to get this bathroom finally clean. And after everybody was been sick, it was just so nice to have everything perfectly sanitized. I used Lysol wipes all over this bathroom this day.
Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed.
I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beat from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. Looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm too scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out.
So next we're going to be heading into Holden's room, and as you can see here, he had quite a mess. So he had a bunch of trains on the floor. This huge train by the window here, this thing is just the bane of my existence. It takes up so much room. It's really cool because Thomas the Tank Engine actually flies in the air through that tunnel, but it just takes up so much room, and I don't know what to do with it because I don't really want the daycare kids to play with it because it's kind of a special gift and he really loves it. So I don't really know what to do with it, but it's always breaking. It's a serious issue. Do you guys have any toys that your kids have that are you just hate more than anything?
Some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. And I'm looking for your attention. Looking for your attention. Looking for your attention.
All right, you guys, so we are now nearing the end of the video, and I just wanted to go ahead and take this time to say thank you so much for watching. If you are here all the way up until the end, I appreciate you so very much. Especially, on YouTube, everybody is just, I was having a conversation with one of my good friends here on YouTube, and we're talking about how everybody here on YouTube is just striving so hard to make it that sometimes we lack some real support for one another. So if you are here to the end of this video watching, I truly appreciate your support more than you know. And I just want to say have a great day. I am wishing all the love and light and positivity in the world possible for you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know